Hi guys, get ready with me. I already took off my bonnet, this thing that I mostly now wear, and so like this is my like second get ready with me. Okay guys, I'm not good at get ready with me's. I never done it, and if you've been on my channel ever since I like made a channel, you know that I would not have been posting a whole lot because like I've been really busy and stuff with the whole new siblings, school. Like I'm gonna focus on school, cause yeah, and now I just realized we have like 18 more days into school. Shouldn't be that bad. Hopefully not. But like I still have the same teachers and everything, unless one retires, which one will, maybe, for 8th grade for me, and I'm going on 7th grade, so it shouldn't be that bad. But like, yeah, I'm actually really scared and really excited for school, like at the same time, because like I can see my friends and stuff, but I have a feeling I'm gonna fall asleep at like a history class because that's the first class I have, and I'm really scared. Like I don't want to go bad or anything. I want to go really good and like not miss a whole lot of school, and like yeah, okay, this week, but like yeah, so anyways, when does school start for y'all? Because my friend starts today, which like I've known her for a couple of years, and she starts school today. Like she's in school right now, and like should be fine. Really not excited, but yeah, so I'm gonna go, but